Hi, Frank and Teskey here from MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2023 Sea Ray 310 SLX. Pete will give you a nice whole side shot there. Black hull coloring with a white bottom. Powered by Mercury Seacore Bravo 3 motors. Peter will make his way up towards the transom there. So we have a stone interior, which is a gray interior, with a teak cockpit and bow. Making our way into that cockpit. We have a nice grill set up right here, wet bar, and storage. Down below, we do have a refrigerator. Still a lot of the protective layering on it, just came in from the factory. This awning does come out over the transom seating back there. And then we have a really nice opening hard top as well, soft top, I apologize. Closes back across. I'll let Pete make his way up to the helm. At the helm you'll notice twin Simrad displays, Fusion stereo system. It is all digital throttle. You do have joystick with skyhook built in, auto trim tab system, and all your switching across here. Down in your head, nice spacious area. You do have a port window down there for some ventilation. As we make our way up towards the bow, rather spacious bow, two forward seating seats. You can fit some more people up here. You do have area for a table. This is one of the nicer features on the boat as well for storage. There's your bow filler cushion and your storage for the table as well. Finally, up in the bow, we do have windlass, spotlight, and a washdown. So again, this was our 2023 Sea Ray 310 SLX IO. It is located here in Brick, New Jersey. My name is Frank and Teskey. Thank you for your time.